Hi everyone, I'm Karen Gordon, salon owner and president of Cosmetologists Chicago, and I want to personally welcome you to America's Beauty Show. The show this year is September 11th through the 13th at the Donald E. Stevens Convention Center. We hope you'll join us for this reunion of our industry. You should have received an email from us to verify either your new or renewed membership. If you haven't, please reach out to us, and if you haven't registered, what are you waiting for? It's going to be an amazing time, great education. We encourage you to bring your team to the show. And we have a couple really good deals going on. If you register for ABS 2021, you get a 3-day pass for it, but you also get a 3-day pass for ABS 2022 in April, and you get complimentary membership to Cosmetologists Chicago. So we have a saying, come to the show, stay for the party. We're going to have a great time in Rosemont. We hope you'll join us. See you at ABS 2021.